Hey everyone, Figma just rolled out its biggest update, making it more powerful than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through all the exciting features and how to use it. Now let's get right into it. Figma has redesigned its editor UI. You now find the toolbar at the bottom instead of the top, with a few new exciting tools. We'll get into that later on. Don't fear, the overall structure of the panel remains intact. Not all users currently have access to this feature. They will be rolled out over the upcoming months, so they said. The second feature is the auto layout. Figma has introduced auto layout suggestion. To use this, simply click on your component like a card and choose the auto layout suggestion, and Figma will suggest the best framework that will make it responsive. The next update is the Figma AI. Figma AI Feature design is designed to speed up your design process and improve workflow. The AI can generate an initial design for you. So the AI can rename layers. If you need to rename your layers, the AI can also handle it with a single click, saving you the tedious time of naming each layer. This is so powerful. I love this. The AI can replace content. The AI can rewrite content. You don't have to worry about writing titles, descriptions at the early stage of your design. So the AI can help you write the content, just help you rewrite the content. Then we have AI can make prototype. The prototype option will connect to your pages automatically. The AI can also translate. They also have translate option to see your design in different languages. You can use the translate option to translate your design to different languages like French, German, Spain, any language. The Figma also collaborates with Apple and Google to bring their official UI kit, now available in the asset panel. This is a great addition for designers. I'm so excited. The next update is the dev mode. The new status like edited and completed, making it easier to communicate changes and readiness, supporting a smooth development process. That's another great one. The last but not the least is Figma has introduced a new product called Figma Slides. I know we'll all be using this somehow, but they officially now updated it, introduced as a product. And there you have it. Figma latest updates are game changing. So excited about them. Let's see how